Tonight, one longtime Epstein victim's attorney says while invited, he doubts he'll attend. Investigative reporter Terry Parker talked with him exclusively today. Terry, why is he declining to testify?
Felicia, Jack Scarola says he fully supports the survivors, but he thinks tomorrow's hearing will not accomplish anything, either to find out who other than Epstein was responsible or to protect victims in the future.
No human being is dispensable, and that the survivors deserve justice.
Democratic lawmakers, a few Epstein survivors, and one other victim's attorney will speak at tomorrow's hearing in West Palm Beach. A shadow hearing, however, has no ability to subpoena witnesses or to compel people to tell what they know. Victims attorney Jack Scarola says lawmakers should be focusing instead on changing the law that let prosecutors keep the original Epstein sweetheart deal secret from almost everyone, including the victims.
So if those legislators who are here tomorrow really are motivated to do something productive, holding another press conference with Epstein survivors lined up behind them for another photo opportunity is not going to advance the interests of those survivors. File a bill, work on that legislation, get it passed, and do something substantive that will help to avoid a recurrence of the Jeffrey Epstein, Ghislaine Maxwell fiasco.
A federal judge found the original state and federal prosecutors did violate the Crime Victims' Rights Act by not telling the victims they were going to let Epstein plead out to minor charges. But Scarola says the law has no teeth to punish anyone who violates that law. He says changing the law would be much more helpful than hearing survivors' stories with no resolution. Democratic Congresswoman Lois Frankel agrees Palm Beach County prosecutors failed the victims and left many questions unanswered, something she'd like to have happen tomorrow.
To try to get to the bottom of why was Jeffrey Epstein given a slap on the wrist for sexually abusing so many young women, and why was that activity allowed to go on? I hope we can get some answer to that tomorrow.
I will be covering the hearing tomorrow from start to finish, and we'll let you know if Scarola decides to change his mind and speak about these important concerns, and if anyone does say they will sponsor a bill to change the Crime Victims' Rights Act. Terry Parker, WPBF 25 News.